Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. A soldier from South African National Defence Force has killed two fellow soldiers before attempting to take his own life. The tragic incident occurred in the early hours of Saturday morning, 21 June, at the Macadamia military base near Komatiport, Mpumalanga. Details surrounding the motive remain unclear, but authorities have confirmed that two soldiers died at the scene, while the suspect survived the suicide attempt. South African National Defence Force spokesperson Prince Shabalala confirmed the incident to News 24, stating that both the South African National Defence Force and South African Police Service have launched full investigation into the tragedy. The circumstances surrounding the incident remain the subject of ongoing inquiries and further details will be communicated once officially verified, said Shabalala. The South African National Defence Force extends its condolences to those affected by the shooting, describing the incident as a significant loss to the military family. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next one.